everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share you all DIY nativity crib. Hope you all enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. First of all, I got this cardboard box from my mother to use it for this DIY purpose. I have cut the cardboard box on the front and the top of the box. I use both the cut parts for the roof, and other part I measured the empty space of the back side of the roof, shape like a triangle, cut and stick it with the tape. Long time since I bought this Sphagnum moss for my plants purpose, which now help me in putting up the crib instead of hay. I have used these mosses by gluing them one by one on top of the roof. I am using the hot glue to stick out of both sides of the crib this pine bark mulches, which I was using this for my plant soil cover. In between, to fill up the gaps, I have used these mosses to cover it up and give a good look. Elevated posture, I have used IKEA plastic storage box and covered with the brown book wrapping cover to give a natural look. I have placed these small Christmas trees on both the side of the crib. I have put the LED string lights to give a more bright and sharper look for a crib. Now I am placing this nativity statue, which is so adorable and so beautiful with a natural touch and feel. This gives happiness and joy at our homes by welcoming our baby Jesus. Since my kids had requested to put these snowmen, so I have put these two snowmen on each side of the crib, which was gifted from my sister from New Zealand. Place this fence around the crib to give a complete look. Another look I have created by spraying snow spray both the side of the Christmas tree and also placing a snow type cloth on the floor to give more effect for both the snowman.